How to make a comment on a post on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just open your Instagram. After your Instagram is opening, you will go to the post that you wanna comment. For example, this. I will go here, comments, and then I will, for example, click create and choose, for example, this emoji, this and this, and then I will just click post. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.